Hey guys, we're going to review the number 1, the number 2, and the number 3 today because we have learned those numbers so far. All right, so remember, this is the number 1. Start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a 1. Good, so let's look. All right, 1. Well, let me move my face. 1. All right, so this person's holding up one finger. This is how you spell 1, O-N-E. And then you have a tens frame with one dot in it. This is what one block looks like, and a dice with one dot on it. All right, let's look at our next number. The number 2. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way you make a 2. Good. This one. All right, so just like Miss Hendry's holding up 2 fingers, so this picture right here is holding up 2 fingers. 1, 2. This is how you spell 2, T-W-O. Here are 2 peppers. Ooh, hot. Here's a tens frame with 2 dots. 1, 2. Here is a die with 2 dots. 1, 2. Awesome. One more number. This was the other number that we learned. The number 3. Around and around, just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. Good. Let's look at the next slide. Let's see. All right, so this is how you hold up 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. All right, here is a tens frame with 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. And here is a die with 3 dots on it. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So remember the number 1, the number 2, and the number 3. Bye, guys.